Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle light in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle lights to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is ZOS 800 Lumen Bicycle Light. Specifications: brand name, ZOS. Model number, XL800. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, handlebar. Number 4 is Infinix Navi 800. Specifications: model number, Navi 800. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, handlebar. Color, black. Waterproof, IPX6. As the item number 3, we've selected bicycle light. Specifications: brand name, CXWXC. Type, headlights. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, handlebar. Battery capacity, 10,000 mAh. Irradiation distance, 300 to 500 meters. Light source type, 3,535 beads. Number 2 is 10,000 mAh bicycle light. Specifications: brand name, Natfire. Model number, KX12D Pro. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, handlebar. Charging, USB-C rechargeable. Built-in battery, 10,000 mAh, 5,200 mAh. Waterproof, IPX5. Light range, 100-300 m. Material, aluminum. On the top of our list at number 1 we have New Bowler Bicycle Light. Specifications: brand name, New Bowler. Model number, EOS 640. Power supply, battery. Mounting placement, handlebar. Power bank, yes.